Let's go to our rough line art layer and lower the opacity to 35%. Then, click the plus button to create a new layer for the final line art. As I mentioned before, this is a cleanup process where we can define the line a bit more and make sure everything is proportioned and in the right place. When making hair at this stage, instead of drawing each hair one by one, I suggest to look at the hair as one object, like an overall shape of it. In this case, I see like a boxy sphere around their head, and since some parts are longer than others, I will try to represent that as well by doing some wavy lines. So let's just remember to keep this simple so we can give space to the colors to do their job, especially for the hair in this case. A very useful technique to see if your drawing is proportioned is to flip the artwork on the opposite direction, or another one of facing your drawing on the mirror. This is because it really helps uncovering all those little mistakes that we couldn't see when it was facing the other way. So it gives you another perspective. So I immediately noticed that the ear positioning was a bit off, as well as the eyes needed to be tilted slightly.